Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a stir fry in easy steps. It's like super easy. It has a lot of vegetables in there, so if anybody loves the vegetables, this dish is so amazing and it's super easy to make. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna make the sauce. So I use orange sauce, I use teriyaki sauce, and a soya sauce. Then I put like a little wine vinegar, red wine vinegar. So I mix all together, and I had like a half teaspoon of sugar. I added to that too, and I mix all together. Then I added like 2 tablespoons of water. Then I added like a half a teaspoon of cornstarch. I also added a black pepper to it, and then mix. Then we added the chicken. I have here like 1 pound of chicken breast. I cut it like a slices, like really small square, almost square slices, and then let it marinate. And now for vegetable choice, I got the Chinese beans. Those are like really good, thin, but when you like stir fry them, it goes crunchy. It's really good beans. Then I have like onions, like green onions, then some carrots. I cut them like really almost thin slices. Then I used like a green pepper. I have like almost like 3 green peppers. You can use colorful one. You can use yellow pepper, 1 yellow, 1 red, 1 green if you like. But today I'm gonna use only green. Now we're gonna start doing the stir fry. So it's better to heat up the stove before we add the oils and the vegetables. So we're gonna leave it like a little bit over the heat. So it's like full heat, then we add the oils and we start frying. Now we're gonna check the heat, and it's really heated. So we're gonna add our oils, just a little bit of oil, just like that. Then we're gonna start doing the stir fry. We're gonna add our vegetables. We're gonna cook it for like 2 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out. Now we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna put a little bit of oil, and we're gonna add our next vegetable, which is the green Chinese beans. Those are like my favorite. Next we're gonna add the green pepper and cook it for 2 minutes also. Now we're gonna cook the chicken till it's like really nice and tender. So we put everything with the marinade sauce and everything. And I added the green onions to it. And after like 2 minutes, I'm gonna add all the vegetables. And now the chicken is cooked, we're gonna add all the vegetables to it and mix them all together with the sauce. Now everything is mixed together. We're gonna let it sit and cook for like 5 minutes. And that's it you guys. I hope you like our dish for today. It's like really easy steps for this delicious and amazing stir fry. I hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you can get our new videos. And I'll see you guys next time.